In this video, we will go over WordPress and we will show you how to download the WordPress plugin and make it work with ConveyThis. If you're ready, let's get started. So, in order to create an account, you need to watch the first video from this series. And if you have already done this step, you should be on the dashboard as we see on this screen. We have a brand new account creation. There is no word usage yet. It's a blank account. It's free. So, and I have the WordPress website. It is the content website about WordPress, and I'm going to install the plugin and activate it with this website. So in order to get started and download your WordPress plugin, you need to first be logged into your WordPress as administrator, whoever has rights to download and install plugins. I am able to do that, so if you are able to, so then proceed to the dashboard, click on it, go to the plugins section, and click on Add New. On this page, there's a search box. It says Search Plugins, and you need to search for ConveyThis. Press Enter, and you'll see the plugin over here. Click Install Now. Once it's installed, click on Activate, and the plugin is activated, but not yet configured. You need to click on the configuration page. Here you need to copy your public key, which is on your dashboard. If you look down, the public key looks like this. Either click on this button and copy it to the clipboard, or press Ctrl+C and go back to this tab and enter this key onto the screen. Once it's done, you need to also complete the source language and the target language. The source language of my web page is English, and the target language I want to use is French. French is a popular language. And press Save Changes. Settings are saved, and let's check how the plugin looks like with a default installation. The default installation, if you look down on the screen, there is now a drop-down with British flag for English and French flag of France for French. So let's click on French, and it started to translate it, even though it doesn't show anything yet. But if you go back to English, and then let's go back again to French, you will see that plugin, not immediately, but after a little bit of delay, already translated your page, and now it is accessible in the French language. How would the dashboard look like? It was 0, but if you refresh the browser, it captured 629 words, which were on this first page of the blog, the content page. So if you have a large website, 5,000 words might not be enough for it. So there's a way to upgrade, and you need to go to the plans and select the larger plan. And if you select the billing cycle 1 year, you'll have 1 month free, which is a good deal. You only pay for 11 months. So this concludes this tutorial on how to install the WordPress plugin for how to install the ConveyThis plugin for WordPress. This was without deep customization. And on the next video, I will show you how to install this plugin and make more customizations to make it look very pretty, including how to include the plugin on the special sections of your website. If you like this video, please give us the like, the thumbs up. Also, if you want to leave us the feedback, please go to WordPress community and leave our plugin the feedback. And more importantly, you need to comment under this video. Tell us what questions you have, what kind of tutorial you would like us to make, which questions you're struggling with. So your feedback is important to us. We try to build the most popular and user-friendly website translation plugin on the market. So get in touch with us, comment this video, give us likes, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.